Noiz AI has just been released, and there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping into this groundbreaking AI software. Whether you're a digital marketer, a business owner, or just curious about AI technology, this video will break it all down for you. First, let's dive into what makes Noiz AI so special. Right out of the gate, it offers an incredibly user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate. For anyone who's been intimidated by AI software in the past, Noiz AI is designed with simplicity in mind while still delivering powerful results. But here's the kicker. It doesn't just simplify the experience, it maximizes your efficiency. You're going to save hours on tasks that used to take days. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the biggest reasons to consider Noiz AI is its ability to automate your workflow. It doesn't just handle small, repetitive tasks. This software allows you to set up complex workflows that scale your business operations. Imagine taking care of everything from marketing outreach to customer relationship management without ever lifting a finger. That's where Noiz really shines. It's not just about saving time, it's about scaling your productivity while maintaining consistency. Another feature worth highlighting is Noiz AI's advanced analytics. This tool doesn't just collect data, it interprets it, making sense of trends and providing actionable insights. In a world where data overload is a major issue, Noiz AI cuts through the noise, letting you focus on what actually matters. Whether you're tracking campaign performance, customer engagement, or just analyzing general trends in your industry, the software offers a smart, intuitive dashboard that puts everything at your fingertips. But let's not forget about its integration capabilities. Noiz AI can seamlessly connect with a variety of platforms, which is crucial for any serious marketer or business owner. Whether you're using CRM systems, email marketing platforms, or social media management tools, Noiz AI fits right in. You won't have to worry about data silos or incompatible systems. Everything is designed to work together effortlessly. Another key aspect of Noiz AI is its content generation features. If you're involved in content marketing or digital advertising, this is a game changer. The AI can generate high-quality, relevant content based on your audience's behavior and interests. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas or drafting posts, you can have engaging, tailored content ready in minutes. That's a huge win for anyone in the marketing space. Now, if you're worried about the technical side of things, don't be. Noiz AI is backed by top-notch security features. It uses advanced encryption and authentication methods, ensuring that your data is safe and secure at all times. Whether you're storing customer information or sensitive business data, Noiz AI keeps it protected so you can focus on growing your business without worrying about cyber threats. One of the most compelling reasons to try Noiz AI right now is the price. Yes, this powerful AI tool is available for completely free from the first link in the description, and with a free trial on offer, there's absolutely no risk to see if it fits your needs. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Noiz AI stands out from the crowd. Before you go, I want to give you my personal recommendation. After testing Noiz AI along with other similar software, I can confidently say it delivers exceptional value. I've included my list of recommended AI tools in the description so you can easily find the best options for your needs. These are all tools I trust after years of working in digital marketing, and they're available for you to try for free. If you want to get ahead with Noiz AI, follow the link below and start exploring. You don't want to miss out on how this software can take your productivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.